Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing, but we still love you, everybody.
Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog, you are.
Ready?
Yes!
Waffle was with Jelly at our neighbour Connie's house.
Race to me and get this piggy. 3, 2, 1, go!
Connie had taken Waffle's mind off not being allowed at school by building a doggy maze game.
This way!
No, wait!
This way!
Hold on.
Come on, Jelly!
Go on!
Come on!
Nothing! Brilliant!
Come on,
Nothing!
Maze!
Come on! Wait! Oh, Jelly! No, Jelly! Jelly! Oh, Jelly! Jelly! You have to go round my maze! Not through it, Jelly, if you want to... Jelly,
Which way
Jelly,
now?
Jelly!
Yes, that's it.
Clever, Ellie. Yeah.
The end.
Whoa.
I win! Jelly, I win!
You have won, Waffle, but Jelly took a shortcut and she has taken a pick for herself, Waffle. Sorry.
Oh.
Yeah, I know. Oh, hi! They're back from school.
Evie.
Oops.
Ruby! Hi, Ruby! Hi, Ruby! We've got a maze! Come and see our maze!
Come on, everybody. Come in. Hi. Hey, right, Waffle. Let's have some more maze fun with Evie and Ruby.
Yeah.
Right, girls, get on all fours to go round the course.
Hello,
There we go.
Connie.
Winner. Yeah, perfect. Get this sheet.
Connie?
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! That's it!
Maze!
Come on,
Maze!
Come on, Ruby! Follow me!
Connie?
Come on, Evie!
Brilliant!
Hi, Connie.
Come on! Follow me, Jelly!
The other way, Jelly.
This way! Yes!
Okay.
I win! I win!
Well done, Waffle!
I missed you today, Waffle. I missed you too, Smelly Jelly.
Hi, Connie.
Hi, Simon!
Are you dressed as a...
Yeah! I'm a dog, Simon!
Mum's built one of her amazing dog mazes.
Yeah, maze! Maze!
Oh, it looks like this was a great maze.
Yeah, it really was. But I need you to calm down now, Waffle, and say thank you to Connie for looking after you all day, and it's time to head home.
Oh, Waffle, stay! Maze!
Come and stay, Simon.
Oh, come on, Simon, join in. And you, Doug.
Okay.
No. Evie, Doug, Waffle, look, we need to go home now. Now!
Oh.
Look, everyone's had a very busy day. Come on, Waffle.
We have. Thank you, Waffle, for being such a good playmate. Oh, and don't forget, Waffle. Look, Waffle, you want this? Yeah.
Oh, sheep toy! Yay!
Remember to say thanks for having me.
Thank you!
Oh, anytime. Good dog, Waffle.
Right, okay.
See yourselves out.
Right, come on, Waffle.
Waffle, stay!
Waffle.
Maze!
Waffle, come on. Come here.
Go
Right,
on, Waffle.
come here.
Waffle, stay! Waffle, stay! Maze!
There we go. Right. Grab the bags, guys. That's it. Let's go.
Bye.
Bye, Connie.
Bye-bye. Go on, Ruby, in you go. That's it. Whoops.
Come on, you two.
Maze!
Home.
Waffle, maze!
Waffle.
Maze!
No.
Maze! Maze?
That's a great idea, Waffle.
Oh, yeah. We should build our own maze up here. Is that okay, Dad?
Not really, it's time for tea.
Oh, please.
Please.
OK, but I want you two out of your school uniforms first.
Yes!
Yes.
I was going to cook Simon's special salmon for tea.
Yum.
I'll get May's building with you instead, shall I, Waffle?
Yeah.
Woo! So, is this better than Connie's maze, Waffle?
Wow, I love
Yes. Lovely.
Right, starting positions. Here we
On
go.
all fours, so it's fair for all of us.
That's it, come on, Waffle.
Playmates, Waffle.
That's right, are you ready? And a 1, 2, 3, and go!
This way. This way.
That's it, catch him up, Doug. Go on, Waffle.
Come on, Dad!
Maze fun! Maze fun!
Maze fun!
Maze fun!
Again!
Go! Come on, Doug.
Waffle's in the lead.
Catch up, Waffle! I win!
Yes. Well done, Waffle.
Well done, Waffle. Oh, hi, Jess. We're upstairs. We've built a maze.
Oh. Whoa. Looks like we've been having some fun.
Yeah, so much fun. I haven't cooked tea yet. Sorry.
It's okay. Oh. Wow. I think I'd like a play on the maze too.
Yeah! Everyone back to the starting point. Come on.
Come on, Waffle!
Go on, Waffle.
Is this it? Yeah. Right, you've got to show me. You've got to show me.
Come on, Waffle.
3,
Hey,
2,
wait for us. Wait for us. Go.
Oh,
no,
I'm going to beat you. I'm going to beat you.
Right. No, I'm going.
I go this way.
Cheetah.
I think it's time that I went and cooked some tea.
That's a good idea, Simon. You two must be hungry. And you, Waffle.
Maze, please.
No, Waffle, I think you've had quite enough maze time today.
Aww. It's early bath time. Let's go. Upstairs. Quickly.
Maze.
No, come on, Waffle. That's enough.
No, maze.
Waffle, I'm sorry. No more maze.
Oh, no maze. Oh,
Can give you a quiet cuddle.
Waffle loves cuddles. Oh, love you.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy it?
Yes. You were saying, Evie, fun things at school today.
I got my first reading book.
Did you really? Go on, then show me, show me.
I have to read it once or twice a day with you or Simon.
Brilliant. Oh, look at that.
Do you want to hear me read, Waffle?
No, maze.
No more maze, Waffle. It's time for some quiet time at the end of the day.
Maze?
Evie's got to practice her reading, Waffle. Why don't you sit up here and listen?
No, want maze.
Please, Waffle.
Maze.
Come on then, Evie, let's read.
Who would have thought that a dog who says he loves school wouldn't want to listen to a school reading book?
Yeah.
Maze.
In your own time. Go.
Sun.
Yes, well done.
As I did my reading, Waffle played in the maze. But he soon realised that playing in the maze on its own wasn't as much fun.
Evie!
Maths.
Yes, very good.
Cat.
Yes, exactly.
Where?
No, Waffle. It's not a real cat. It's just in Evie's book. Look, she's learning to read the word cat.
Oh.
Come and sit down with us and have a listen. Sit. And
D-O-G. Dog.
really good.
B-E-D. Bed. H-A-T. Hat.
She's doing very well, isn't she, Waffle?
H-A-T. D-O-G.
Waffle, you're just like me. You can read.
I think he was probably just remembering what you said. Waffle can't read.
Yeah, that's one thing a Wonderdog can't do.
Oh, more read.
Oh, I'm tired, Waffle.
Well, how about I read everyone a storybook before bed?
Oh, yes! Oh, perfect. quiet time after all that maze mayhem.
Story?
Yeah, well, when Evie learns how to read more small words, she can put them together to make a story.
Just like my reading books.
Story?
If you want stories, Waffle, maybe you should learn to read.
I don't think so.
I don't see why not.
Oh, no. Right, come on. Bedtime, Waffle. Come on, up you go.
Yes, Waffle can choose which book he wants me to read.
Waffle had found that quiet time could be just as much fun as Maze Mayhem. Will Waffle learn to read? You'll have to wait and see in another Waffle the Wonderdog tale.
Everybody!